What's going on? Your color choice can make or break your artwork. Color matters. So whether you're researching limited color palettes or trying to find the right hues while mixing paint colors to set the mood of a painting, this is the video for you. Understanding the color wheel and using color theory is a pretty good idea for any artist, but especially oil painters. In this video, I'm going to go through the basics of color theory using a traditional color wheel. This is the traditional color wheel. And explain ways that oil painters and other artists can make use of this information. In the color wheel, there are 12 colors. I'm going to go through them, starting from the top and going clockwise. That might be different on the screen. Yellow, yellow-orange, orange, red-orange, red, red-violet, violet, blue-violet, blue, blue-green, green, and yellow-green. Now in this video, I might sometimes refer to them by more common names, such as purple, turquoise, magenta. Other names like light or dark orange or chartreuse are sometimes used by like absolute weirdos. And in the basis of it all, there are 3 primary colors which are the most important. These are like the OG colors. And these colors are of course red, blue, and yellow. Kind of like the Pokemon games. Now if you're an oil painter, you can achieve any color out of using just these 3 colors. But it's not always easy. No tube of paint contains just solely one color. All of them have traces of other colors in them. So the primaries are the most powerful colors. In fact, blue and red are specifically known as power colors. Think of Popeye if he did steroids instead of spinach. And yellow is the brightest color on the whole wheel. So mix any 2 of these primary colors and you will get one of these next 3 hues, which are the secondary colors: green, orange, and violet. And each one of these is a complementary color to the primary colors. It is important to know that scientifically, there are more requirements to being complementary colors, but for the purpose of this video, opposite of the color wheel works just fine. I've linked some information about scientific color complements. So complementary colors, when put together, appear more vivid than when they're apart. That's crazy! Green and red, blue and orange, yellow and purple. And each one is enhanced by the closeness of its opposite. So how does this apply to artists? Well, just because they're called complementary colors doesn't mean that you should use them beside each other at full strength. That leads to just really rank color choice. Now there's still more colors left in the wheel. The tertiary colors. Tertiary. Intermediate colors. These 6 colors fill in the gaps between primary and secondary. If you're painting from nature, most colors that you see won't be in the primary or secondary. There'll be some mix of softer colors. The reason for this is because things like the atmosphere, the atmosphere has color, distance, lighting, blend with and change the colors. The same rule of complements do apply with these 6 colors although the effect is usually less dramatic. Now that we've filled out the color wheel, let's look at some more groups of colors. I'm gonna start off with some warm colors. Warm colors generally go from like yellow to red and will appear to visually come forward. No matter what the color of an object, under bright light or heat, an entire scene can actually be colored with warm hues. Cool colors. These often appear when a blue sky reflects cold light. Now I haven't classified all of the colors as warm or cold, because a few of them can go either way. Don't try to label them. Greens are often cool colors, but against the background of blues, they come forward, switching back and forth. You can always use warm and cool colors to increase depth and space in your paintings. Analog colors. Just like it sounds, these are 3 colors that go really, really well together because they're next to each other on the color wheel. Designers and interior decorators use analog colors quite often, so painters and artists can do the exact same thing. Popularity of certain colors come and go, but if you're smart about it, you'll be able to paint in the same color schemes that people are currently looking for to decorate their homes. And that's a wrap. I hope you learned something today, or if you're in school, I hope I made this a little bit fun. No one likes school. No, I didn't. Just in case you didn't know, I make a new video every Wednesday. Sometimes I might be a little bit tardy, but it's once a week. If you liked it, give me an old thumbs up. You could even subscribe if you wanted to. It's like right there. Now y'all come back now, you hear?